Hey guys, this is Devraj Singh presenting to you one more new video, and in this video there is one problem that I would be talking, and I have got a lot of replies, lot of messages, lot of comments to this one specific question. Devraj, how would I start and become successful like you? What if I have no money? So this was a question that I was getting always on my personal profile, always on Facebook comments. Even though when I was running ads, I was getting this question. So what I thought that let's make a complete video on this and try to solve your problem. Okay, so let's go step by step with a very unique story, and we'll cover with the story. So how I started was that I started doing internships. So when I was very young, like I was in 8th or 9th standard, still I'm young, and so when I was in 8th and 9th standard, I actually started doing internships. So internships was the first thing that I did, and as I was very young, I was not being capable to do like office based internship, yeah, or full-time internships, okay, because I had to continue my studies as well. And yes, I was not a major. Still, when I'm recording this video, I'm not a major. So I was not an adult, so I cannot do one full-time internships or a job. So what I did was I started doing remote internships and freelancing gigs. So it helped me a lot to understand the industry. Plus, doing internships with this, I started making some revenue, some money out of it. Okay, so one thing that you could do right now after you complete watching this video, go on websites like Internshala and other internships website. I think so there is a website called Learning Guru. I'm not sure about it, but Internshala I'm really sure because I hire my interns from there as well. So go on websites like Internshala. Also, there are big companies who have the summer internship program. So you could just check it out. The big multinational companies have minor, like they want the college grad student or college students to do internships. Okay, don't go like that campus ambassador internships, but yes, try to do internships. Two things would happen at this point of time. First, you would learn about the specific job that you want to work upon. It would help you to get more knowledge. It would help you to understand that industry very well. Second, with getting knowledge, you would also earn some money that you could invest back into learning or invest back into one businesses that you are really like you just want to work upon. Okay, so this is point one. First of all, do internships. Secondly, how I started doing is that I started selling things with commissions. Okay, so I was good into marketing and I could not have a direct job. So what I did was I was working for some projects and I told them that yes, if I get some business for you, if and only if I get some business for you, I'll take a commission based cut. Okay, let's say 10%, 15%. So what I did was, first I was promoting some events, okay, happening in Mumbai, and I said per ticket I sell. Okay, it is not up to you how I sell. It is only the only thing that matters is that I would sell those tickets. Okay, so I told I would sell those events ticket and I'll take a 15% cut. They agreed upon this, and that's how I started churning out money from my first project itself. So I did not have money, but what I told that if I make money for the client, I would take money from it. Okay, so second big take, work on commissions. Even if you could, if and only if you bring results on table, you would charge money for that. That's the second way of starting things out. Okay, third thing is that if you cannot do internships, okay, if you can't you don't want to be a corporate slave at all and everything like that, you just want to be your own boss. Okay, there is a rule that I learned in industry from when I was like very young. I learned this rule. The rule is, when you don't have money, okay, invest in your time, and when you have money, then there is no reason of investing time. Automate the things. Okay, so a lot of people don't have time actually. So you could be a person like a freelancer, okay, who's helping people to like save their time. Okay, do tasks that are very random, but yes, charge money for that. Okay, it's like a freelancing gig, but yes, when you see that okay, this is a problem that I need to solve of people like marketers. For marketers, one of the big thing is like getting backlinks. Okay, secondly, doing the research part. These are the regular stuff that a marketer faces in their day-to-day things. Okay, getting content ideas, producing content. Okay, all these things. Okay, editing of content. These are all the regular work that can be done again and again. So where you could come in picture is that helping people to do those work. Okay, to do this side works. Okay, this is how you could be your own boss. Okay, first of all, you don't have someone to work under you, so you are like your own boss. Secondly, you could make some money and then go into a corporate structure. Always invest in yourself. And if you are trying to invest in yourself, below there would be a description, and in description I mentioned 60-day master marketing challenge. So if you're like looking for some new skills, looking to grab onto messenger marketing or something like that, this you could go on the link and check it out. Okay, the link is here. Also, with this, with doing all these things like freelancing, everything, the next thing to go ahead is that just look for one partner. If you don't have money but you have talent, then look a partner who has money. Okay, so this has been my trajectory of life. I had been always been working people who are twice of my age or people who are thrice of my age as my partners. Okay, so in different businesses. So yes, people are there who could invest money in your business. The only the thing that you need to do is work with them. Okay, you have to approach them. Okay, just go on LinkedIn, try approaching a set of people. Okay, there is one great book which highlights these things, why I stopped wearing my own socks. Okay, so just check it out. It is a great book, why I stopped wearing my socks, and it underlines that there are mentors who are looking people to mentor you. Okay, to mentee others. So that's what you could do. If you don't have money, check for people who have money, who want to save time and invest their money in something new, and work with them. That's the best way of doing the things. So this video highlighted all the points of how you could start even if you don't have money. I think that you would be implementing some of the other things. The best thing that you would be implementing and you liked from this video, just mention in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you are watching at IGTV, just throwing in your comments, how do you like this video? Let me know what are the suggested more topics on which I could make videos. And yes, the links for all my webinars, all my upcoming courses are below. You could check it out. Thanks.